Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix no sound or low volume on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, check the volume sliders and settings. Go to sound and vibration and make sure media is turned up. Sound works fine for me, but if it's not working, make sure Do Not Disturb is also disabled. Once disabled, clean the speaker grills. We have the small one up top and one at the bottom right. Make sure to clean them. Next, turn off Bluetooth to ensure audio isn't rerouted to any other device. When you see available devices, turn it off. As a last resort, update your software to fix any sound glitches. Go to System and Update, click on Software Update. My version is up to date, but if yours isn't, click the button at the bottom to download and install. That's important because you don't want old glitches, especially for no sound or low volume. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, any comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.